Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super useful skill in Google Sheets, how to connect cells across multiple worksheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pull data from one sheet into another, making your spreadsheets more powerful, organized, and dynamic. Whether you're working on budgets, project plans, or just want to keep your data in sync across tabs, this trick is a real game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we do anything, you'll want to decide exactly which cell or range of cells you want to connect between your sheets. For example, let's say you have some monthly sales figures in sheet 1 and you want those figures to show up automatically in sheet 2. Maybe it's just one number or maybe it's a whole column. Take a moment to click into the first sheet and make a note of the exact location, for example, cell B2 or even a whole range like B2, B10. This little bit of planning saves time and confusion down the road, so don't skip it. Next, head over to the sheet where you want the data to appear. That's your destination sheet, and it could be your summary sheet, your dashboard, or anywhere you want to display information from the other tab. Just click into the cell where you want the linked data to show up. If you want to pull in a whole range, select the top left cell where you want that range to begin. Remember, wherever you place your formula, that's where the imported data will live, so pick carefully. Think of it as giving the data a new home in your spreadsheet. Now here comes the magic. You're going to type a formula that tells Google Sheets to pull data from the other worksheet. Start by typing the equals sign just like you would for any formula. Then enter the name of the sheet you're referencing, followed by an exclamation mark, and finally the cell or range you want to connect. It'll look something like this: equals sheet 1 exclamation mark and then B2, so it reads equals sheet 1 B2. If you're referencing a range, it could be equals sheet 1 B2 B10. Just make sure your sheet name matches exactly. If your sheet's name has spaces, put single quotes around it like equals sales data A1. That tiny detail trips people up a lot, so keep an eye on your sheet names. Once you've entered your formula, go ahead and press enter. And that's it. Google Sheets will instantly pull the data from your source sheet and display it right where you want it. If the data in your original sheet changes, your connected cell or range will update automatically, so you don't have to copy and paste over and over again. This is incredibly useful for creating project summaries, keeping reports up to date, or just making sure your whole team is always looking at the latest numbers. If you see an error, double-check the spelling of your sheet name, make sure you type the range correctly, and remember those single quotes if your sheet name has spaces. Don't worry if it doesn't work the first time. This part sometimes takes a few tries when you're just starting out. So that's all there is to it. Now you know how to connect cells across different worksheets in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.